Hello, welcome to your Christmas Eve update from the Met Office. A largely dry Christmas period is expected. It's going to be pretty grey in places, particularly today where we've got some thick fog patches around. The winds are light, not much rain, but one or two places seeing some across the southwest of England in particular. Parts of Devon, Cornwall, Somerset. A little bit of that light rain could trickle into parts of South Wales, particularly Pembrokeshire. But apart from that, it is dry, some sunshine to be had across parts of the north and east, but there is some thick fog across the Midlands, into East Anglia and through the central belt of Scotland, taking a while to clear. And if that fog sticks around, temperatures are going to struggle to get much above freezing. Elsewhere, we're looking at 5 or 6 degrees, so a chilly day, but it is mild in the southwest. But it is also rather grey here with further rain and drizzle. Now that will continue and will spread a little further north into other parts of West Wales, maybe turning a bit damp and drizzly in Northern Ireland this evening. This is your picture at midnight if you're heading out tonight. And it's that fog across these eastern parts of England in particular that's the biggest hazard. Could be really quite thick in places. Just bear that in mind if you are travelling. Overnight as well, we'll continue to see the cloud thickening in western Scotland with some drizzly rain here and there. And again, these central and eastern areas will keep that fog. If it's clear enough, parts of northeast England and eastern Scotland will drop well below freezing. So we'll see a frost here. Most other places just staying a touch above freezing, and it stays very mild in the southwest. The big day itself then, Christmas Day, looking pretty grey across these western areas with a spot or two of drizzle, but apart from that it's largely dry. Again, it's going to be fog across these central and eastern areas, and just when will it clear? And for some it may last all day. Now if the fog sticks, again temperatures will really struggle, but we should see some brightness across East Anglia and Kent, and particularly northeast Scotland. We should see some sunny spells. And elsewhere it may brighten up at times also. If you're travelling, again, no major hazards except for that mist and fog. And temperature-wise, we're looking at single digits for much of northern Britain, but in the west, turning quite mild, 11, 12, even 13 is possible. So for some, really quite a mild Christmas day. Through Christmas Day evening, again, just a bit of drizzle here and there. Some of the higher routes, parts of the M6, the M74, the M8 may see a bit of drizzle, but apart from that, again, it's really the fog across these more eastern parts of England that could be really quite thick on Christmas Day. And that's going to be one of the hazards really throughout the Christmas week, really. Not a lot of rain around. Often it will be quite cloudy, but those fog patches continue to cause issues. Keep up to date with the latest weather warnings on the Met Office website.